Let me show you how you can set up Supabase RAG agent that can answer any of your questions based on the documents inside Google Drive. I can quickly show you as well. As you can see, here is the document, piece information, test company, Brightwave Solutions. When was the company founded? The company Brightwave Solutions was founded in 2019. As you can see, founded 2019. Let's navigate back. And as you can see, it used Supabase vector store where we previously pushed the information from Google Drive. So let me quickly show you how you can build this agent for yourself. So let's quickly dive in. So first and foremost, let's quickly rename our project. I'm gonna put Supabase RAG agent slash Postgres chat memory. I'm gonna show you as well how you can set up the chat memory as well. So first and foremost, let's add a trigger. In this case, I'm gonna add the AI agent. As you can see, AI agent. I'm gonna leave it like this. As you can see, now we got the trigger and the AI agent. And I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna add the chat model. In this case, we're gonna use the OpenAI chat model. I'm gonna pick 4.1 nano because this is very cheap and very efficient. As you can see, 4.1 nano. And as you can see, now we have to set up the memory. So I'm gonna click memory. As you can see, Postgres chat memory, we're gonna pick this one. And as you can see, now you probably have to create your credentials. I'm gonna show you as well how you can create them. So as you can see, create new credentials. So as you can see, you need a host, database, user and password and port number as well in this case. So let's navigate to Supabase. Let's create an account as well. So I'm going to hit sign up now. As you can see, I put my email here, pornoste2@gmail.com. And as you can see, just click sign up. You can create the account. As you can see, sign up successfully. So check or confirm. I'm gonna navigate my email. Once you have created an account and log in, it's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, I'm gonna change my organization name to N10 test. Type will be personal and PAN will be free. As you can see, create the organization. Now you have to add a database password as well. So I'm gonna add my password here. As you can see, once you have added a password and create an organization, it's gonna take you to this homepage or the dashboard. As you can see, here navigate to connect, so we can actually connect the accounts. For the type, we're gonna change it to PostgreSQL, as you can see here, and scroll a bit down, and here we need a transaction pooler. As you can see, PostgreSQL -h means host, AWS, and so on and so on. So in this case, we're going to copy this. Now get back to N10, and as you can see, we need a host here, so I'm going to copy paste this inside here. There you can see now we got the host here. Now get back to Supabase. As you can see, -p means port. I'm going to copy this. Usually it's default for everyone. It's same for everyone. As you can see, port will be 6543. Now get back to Supabase. And there you can see -d means database. So we have already this inside the N10. I can go show as well. So I'm going to copy this. As you can see, and we have same here. We don't have to actually change it. So now get to Supabase. And there is a -u. This means a user. We have to copy this as well. As you can see, now get back to N10. And as you can see, user, we just paste it inside here. And now I have to add the password, and now everything should be done. So hit that save. We can see as well. Credentials successfully created and connection tested successfully. I recommend renaming this as well to Postgres chat memory. So it's easier for you. So I'm going to hit save again. This thing saved, as you can see. Now it's basically done. So as you can see, now let's quickly test the chat memory out as well. So I'm gonna open chat. As you can see, I'm gonna ask the AI agent how much is 10 plus 10. As you can see, enter, and it saved the memory to Postgres chat memory and gave us the answer as well. As you can see, 10 plus 10 equals 20. So now let's open Supabase and let's check it out if they actually save the chat to Supabase as well. Navigate tables, table editors. As you can see, now we have N10 chat history. I'm going to navigate to N10, and there you can see here is a N10 chat history as well. As you can see, and there you can see it saved the content 10 plus 10 equals 20 to Supabase. So I'm going to quickly show as well. Open the N10 chat history. As you can see, we got two different rows here, 1 and 2, and session IDs as well. And there you can see message was a human, so it's my input what I gave to the AI agent. As you can see, how much is 10 plus 10, and here's the AI answer. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Check it out as well. As you can see, quickly close this, and there is the E10 plus 10 equals 20. So this is the AI agent's answer. So very nice. So now let me quickly show you how you can set up the Supabase RAG agent as well. So in this case, we're gonna add the Supabase tool here. As you can see, tool. I'm gonna add the Supabase. As you can see, Supabase vector store. We're gonna choose this one. And for the operation mode, we're gonna change it to retrieve documents as tool for AI agents, so we can pull information from the RAG agent. These I'm going to just leave empty. Table name I'm going to leave empty as well. So next thing what we're going to add is an embedding. In this case, we're going to use the OpenAI as embedding. As you can see, embedding a OpenAI, use embeddings OpenAI. And for the model, we're going to pick text embedding small, as you can see. And then you can see now we have to connect our Supabase vector store credentials. So let's open this. As you can see, credentials to connect with, just click here and create new credential. And as you can see, in this case, you need a host URL and the service role secret. This host URL is not the same what we previously added in the Postgres SQL. So let's open up Supabase and navigate to navigation bar. As you can see, project setting, open this and navigate to data API under the configuration. You can see, and you can see API settings, project URL, and just copy this and navigate back to N10 and paste it inside the host field. And as you can see, now we need a service role secret. So in this case, we're going to navigate back to Supabase again. Open up Supabase, scroll a bit down. Here you can see project API keys. Your API is secured behind API gateways and so on and so on. And you can see down here, you can see service role secret. It's a long key. Let's reveal this and just copy this and navigate back to N10 and paste it inside here. And as you can see, now you're good to go. Make sure to rename it as well. So I'm going to rename it to Supabase vector store and hit save. As you can see, saving. And as you can see, just like that, you can connect your Supabase account. So now let's quickly close this. So now we have to create a document inside the Supabase where you can actually push all the documents from the Google Drive. So in this case, open up the Supabase vector store. I get the documents. As you can see, it's going to open up N10 documents. Scroll a bit down until you can see Supabase provides a quick start for setting up your vector store. Just click here. It's going to take you to supabase.com documents. As you can see, and you can see we got the SQL code here. Just copy all this, just click here and it's going to copy all this, navigate back to Supabase, and as you can see SQL later, just click here and it's going to open up this and just paste all this code inside here, and you can see, and hit run. As you can see, success, no rows returned, so it actually went through and it worked. So in this case, I'm going to open up the table later, and here you can see documents, and here is the place where we're going to push all the documents from the Google Drive. So I'm going to explain it later as well. So in this case, let's open up the N10. As you can see, table name, we're going to pick documents, as you can see, and for the description, I'm going to put a full companies documents from this Supabase RAG, and for the name I'm going to put just RAG agent. Actually can't put, I have to put underscore here between. So let's close this for now. As you can see, the Supabase vector store is basically done. Now we have to add a feature where we can push all the documents from the Google Drive to Supabase, so we can actually retrieve information. So let's, in this case, let's add a manual trigger. As you can see, manual trigger. Just pull it, drag it here. As you can see, now we're gonna add a Google Drive. Google Drive. In this case, we're gonna use download, as you can see, and we're gonna pick a file what we want to download. In this case, I'm gonna pick this business information. This is exactly the same as here. As you can see, all the business information, Brightwell Solutions website, and so on and so on, and revenue 4.2 million. And so let's get back. I'm gonna pick this one. You can close this for now. And now we basically have to add the Supabase vector store, so we can actually push all the Google Drive documents to the vector store. I'm gonna pick Supabase vector store. As you can see here, pick this one, and we need this retrieve document for chain/tool as vector store. And for the operation mode, we're gonna change it to insert documents, so we can push the documents inside. Table name will be documents what we previously created, as you can see. And just close this for now and connect this. And as you can see how it works, when we click Test Workflow, it's going to push the Google Drive document, what we chose here. As you can see, business information, test company, it's going to push all the information inside the Supabase vector store. And as you can see now, let's add an embedding. In this case, we're going to use the OpenAI as embedding. And for the document, we're going to pick a default data loader, as you can see. And we're going to change the type of data to binary, as you can see. And you can just leave the mode to load all input data. So let's move this a little bit down, and then you can see for the data splitter, we're going to pick this recursive character text splitter, as you can see. And for the chunk choice, we're going to do just 1000, and chunk overlap will be 0. So the very last thing what I actually have to add is a AI agent system message. So let's open this. As you can see, I'm gonna pick a system message. I'm gonna put here your helpful assistant. Make sure to retrieve all the company's information from this Supabase tool, as you can see. So as you can see now it's working, but I'm gonna quickly explain how it works as well. So I'm gonna move this a little bit here. As you can see, so when I hit this Velcro, it's gonna download the file what we previously added inside this node. As you can see, business information, test company. I'm gonna hit there. As you can see, here's all the information about our company. So let's gonna get back, and as you can see, it's gonna download because the operation is downloaded, and then it's gonna push all the information to Supabase vector store. As you can see, I'm gonna quickly show as well. Documents, and there you can see business information, test company, all the information what was inside the Google documents. So navigate back, and then we can actually pull or retrieve all the information what we push inside the document with this Supabase vector tool. And as you can see, it's connected to same table documents. So we're gonna push all the information to this Supabase, and then we're gonna basically pull or retrieve all the. So the AI can actually answer our questions. So let's look at this out as well. So I'm gonna open chat. Zoom out a little bit. So I'm gonna push the document again. As you can see, download the file, push the file to Supabase. As you can see, business information. So let's open Supabase, and there you can see business information here. So now let's quickly open chat. Oops, as you can see, I'm gonna open the pop-up chat. As you can see, so now let's ask a question. Let's quickly check what we have here. For example, current challenges and annual revenue. So what are the main challenges, and how much is annual revenue, and when was the company founded? So let's quickly check it out. As you can see, using Postgres chat memory, it went inside the Supabase vector store, retrieved information, and outputted the company Private Web Solutions founded in 2019 with an annual revenue of 4.2 million. The main challenges they face include increasing customer churn rate, which is currently for 8% monthly. So let's quickly get back. As you can see, 2019, 4.2 million, increasing customer churn rate, and so on and so on. European markets by Q4, and as you can see, everything is right. So as you can see, it's working, and just like that, you can build yourself a Supabase RAG agent with Postgres chat. And as you can see, just like that, you can add the Postgres chat memory and Supabase RAG agent, with which you can basically pull all the company's information. Thanks for watching, and